Hey, I'm Lizzy McAvoy. When I'm not writing songs, performing live, or producing in the studio, I'm the girl in the apron. Some of my favorite memories have been made in the kitchen, whether it's rolling out homemade pasta with my grandpa, holiday get-togethers with family and friends, and even those band rehearsal meals. Food and music has always been at the heart of it all, so grab your apron, crank up the tunes, and join me in the kitchen. Hey there everybody, I'm Lizzy McAvoy and thank you so much for tuning into my cooking show, The Girl in the Apron. So when I'm not making music full time, I'm whipping up quick and easy, delicious eats in this kitchen. And so I was trying to think of what is the quickest and easiest recipe that we have in the family archives, and my mom's Johnny Marzetti came to mind. It's an amazing pasta dish with ground beef and green peas and tomato sauce and lots of Parmesan cheese, my favorite. But what's really cool about this recipe is that you can make it your own. So I'm doing a vegetarian Johnny Marzetti today with these great grillers crumbles, but you could do ground beef, ground chicken, ground turkey. I'm using this great Barilla penne pasta, but they have awesome gluten-free options out there. Those really great veggie pastas. I personally love the carrot one. And then you can do any type of sauce. Do a bolognese, a red pepper sauce would be delicious. I'm using a marinara today. Also, try going to your local Italian market and seeing if they have a homemade sauce for sale, because that would be super delicious. Make it your own. It is so quick, it is so easy, and here is how you do it. Be sure to find this recipe and so much more at my website, www.lizzymcavoy.com. And just remember one thing, everything is better with cheese. Y'all have a good one. I'll see you next time.